up, y'all? It's Randy, aka Naturally Fearless, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I refresh and maintain my mini braids. I've had these braids in for a week now. Yes, it's been a week. So I want to go ahead and refresh them, you know, take care of my ends and everything like that. And I just wanted to show you guys a quick and easy way to do this. So these braids have been really working out for me, you guys. They have been amazing. So I'm going to be working in sections. We just gonna hop right into this. They've been staying straight. They haven't been bending on me or, you know, going all crazy every which way. I've been loving these braids, but I'm going to be working in 4 sections. I always work in sections with my hair anyway, just to make it easy, y'all. Sections are life. The first thing I am going to be going in with, I'm basically going to be using the LLC method or the LCO method, however you identify with it. But the first thing I'm going to be using is my Texture ID Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Now I'm using this spray leave-in because I used this before I stretched my hair for the style, and I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner anyway. You want to make sure that your hair is thoroughly moisturized throughout your entire protective style journey, duration, whatever, because if your hair is not moisturized, I mean, what are you really protecting? You can use water if you don't have any spray leave-in, but I love this leave-in, so I'm gonna go ahead and use that. Shake it up to activate it, and then I'm just gonna spray my ends, and then I'm just going to lightly spray my braids down the length of my hair. Now this is prepping my hair to receive the moisture that I am about to put into it. You don't have to wet your hair too much. It could just be damp. You really want to pay close attention to those ends because those are the oldest parts of your hair. You don't want any breakage. Next, I'm going to be going in the Tgin Miracle Repair Curl Food. This is what I used for my braids for the style. This stuff is amazing, y'all. Like, my hair has been moisturized and like shiny ever since I put these braids in. I haven't had really any issues with moisture. When I'm refreshing any of my protective styles, I like to use the same products that I use to do the style in the first place because my hair is very prone to buildup. So using the same products that I was using anyway kind of counteracts, you know, products not mixing well together or whatever the case. So gonna take my Tgin cream, and what I'm doing is I'm just gonna bring it down the length of my hair, not a lot, but really I'm mostly focusing on those ends, okay? Because, you know, after a while, after you had your hair up for a while or in a protective styles and they're out like this, they start to get scraggly, right? So all we are doing is going in and getting those ends back in check. Now you don't have to wait an entire week to do this. If you see that your hair is drying out before, address it when you see it, because that means your hair is losing its moisture. You want to put that moisture right back into that hair, okay? And as you can see, you can probably already tell a difference between the ones that I have done already and then the ends that I have not. Okay, now that I've gone through and taken care of my ends and they're back nice and juicy and moisturized, I like to go ahead and oil my scalp with my DIY oil blend. I have a ton of different oils in this bottle, you guys. I have oils on oils on oils in my stash. So I like to make my own oil blend. I'll link it down below. I don't have any measurements for this oil blend, y'all. I just pour as I see fit, kind of like when you season chicken. You season until your ancestors tell you to stop. That's basically what I do with my oil blend. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in my parts and oil my scalp. Now, I take care of my scalp. I oil my scalp every night or every other night. You always want to make sure when you have protective styles that you're also taking care of your scalp. We often think that once we put our hair in a protective style, we don't have to do anything else. But if you're not taking care of your scalp, you're not taking care of your hair, period. Your hair is growing out of your scalp, so you need scalp care. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and then oil my scalp in the parts. I'm gonna take some oil in my hands and press it into my hair along the length of my hair to lock in all of that moisture we just put into our hair and get that shine back. And as you can see, it's already looking so much better from when we started. This is an additional option if you have any frizzies up here or anything like that. I don't have too much because I used an edge control when I was braiding up my hair, so it's not too much, but this is optional. You're going to take some mousse, top it off on your hair. Especially at the top where you think you have frizzies. And you're gonna tie your hair up with a scarf. I usually like to sit under my hooded dryer for about 10 minutes. If you don't have a hooded dryer, you can just tie your hair up and keep your scarf on for like 15 minutes. You guys, so I sat under there for about 10 minutes under my dryer. This also, just want to let you guys know, is how I sleep at night with these braids. I just tie them with my satin scarf and just let them hang loose like this, but still making sure that they're covered up. So this way they don't bend and everything, they just stay straight. Or if you have a bonnet that's large enough where you don't have to bend them, that also ensures that they're gonna stay straight. Scarf off. And there you go. Hair is back nice, juicy, and moisturized, shiny. Little frizzies are laying down. And you are good. Just quick, simple, and easy. You don't have to wait a week before you refresh your style. Pay attention to your own hair. If you see that your hair is losing moisture, your ends are looking a little scraggly, your scalp needs attention, whatever the case, make sure you are listening to your hair. Protective styles are not just to put your hair in a style and then forget it. You still need to take care of your scalp and your hair anytime it's in a protective style, so you can make sure your hair maintains its healthy state and maintains its moisture, which is the whole reason you put it in a protective style in the first place, is to lock in, seal in that moisture, give yourself a break, and give your hair a break. That's gonna be pretty much it for this video, you guys. Just wanted to show you how I maintain my scalp and my hair in my protective styles. I do this also with my mini twists, but with my mini twists, I have to do it more often because they don't hold as well as these braids. But if this is your first time to my channel, welcome, and make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of the fam bam. If you like this video, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one.